Tell me two river you know.
River Benue. River Niger.
Correct. Oh yeah.
Tell me the name of the city of Nigeria.
City is in Nigeria. You have Lagos. You have Ibadan. Okay, so I ask you. Tell me two DJs you know in Nigeria.
DJ.
Popular DJs you know, two popular DJs you know in Nigeria.
DJ Neptune.
DJ Neptune.
DJ.
And time don't go.
J.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, ask me.
Tell me the name of doctors you know in Nigeria.
Doctors I know in Nigeria.
Dr. Sijone.
No, Dr. Sijone, Dr. White today. Doctors I know in Nigeria.
The one that I know within the Ibadan.
Okay, doctors in Ibadan. You have Dr. Anthony.
Philip.
He works in a monitor Central Hospital. We have
They don't loud.
I don't know, I'm not doctor.
Bless him.
I will bless. I'm saying bless my face. It's okay.
Okay. Tell me two laptop you know. Name of two laptop you know.
HP.
HP.
iPhone.
11, 14 Pro Max, I'll be 11. Apple laptop.
Oh yeah, ask me last question.
Tell me the name of the animal you know.
Name of animal. Any animal. Any animal.
Change him.
Any animal I know.
Tell us to change him. We have chim chim.
They have change him.
Chim no be dog.
Hey,